Maternity leave FAQs for government employees. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of government. In case of any variance in this training material, the government guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. In this video, we will discuss various FAQs regarding maternity leave. The object of maternity leave and benefit is to protect the dignity of motherhood by providing for the full and healthy maintenance of women and her child when she is not working. With the advent of modern age, as the number of women employees is growing, the maternity leave and other maternity benefits are becoming increasingly common. Now, we will discuss various points. What is the period or length of maternity leave? A female government servant, including an apprentice, with less than 2 surviving children, may be granted maternity leave for a period of 180 days from the date of its commencement. Can a woman employee will get maternity leave if she gave birth to third or more child? No, she can't. She have to take any other leave as per leave rules. When the maternity leave can be started? As per the Rule 44A of Maternity Benefit Act 1961, maternity leaves can be started 6 weeks before the expected date of delivery. Can a woman employee work till the day of delivery so that she can have more time with her baby? Yes, she can work up to the day of delivery, and then also she will be entitled for the maternity benefit. Can a woman ask her office to give her lighter jobs during pregnancy to avoid physical strain? She can definitely ask her boss to change her duties if a job involves long-standing time, working with obnoxious hazardous chemicals, or any type of work which can be harmful for mother or baby's health and development. What will happen if a woman joins office before completing her maternity leave? If a woman joins the office before the completion of her maternity leave period, maternity benefits automatically gets cancelled. So if she need to do some office job during maternity leave period, she can do it as obligatory rather than formally joining the office. Office cannot compel a woman to join during maternity leave. Can a woman extend leaves for the care of the child after the maternity leaves are over? As per Civil Services leave rules, maternity leaves can be combined with any kind of leaves, including commuted leave up to 60 days and leave not due, that can be granted in continuation of maternity leave, provided in Rule 43(4)(b) shall be increased to 2 years without medical certificate. Remember, the leaves to be taken up in continuation. If you join the office, then this rule does not apply. Can casual leaves be combined with maternity leaves? No. Casual leaves cannot be combined with maternity leaves. Can child care leaves be combined with maternity leave? Yes, CCL can be combined with maternity leave. Remember not to join back in the office. As soon as women join back, her maternity benefits gets cancelled. If a woman adopted a newborn baby, can she get maternity leave? Yes, she can take up to 180 days maternity leave. Paternity leave may also be granted in case of adoption. If the child has died after birth, can a woman allowed maternity leave? Yes, she can. Can a surrogate mother or commissioning mother take maternity leaves? Yes, they can take up to 180 days maternity leave. Paternity leave may also be granted in case of surrogacy. What do we mean by a surrogate mother and a commissioning mother? Surrogate mother, the female employee who bears the child on behalf of another woman, either from her own egg, fertilized from the other woman. Commissioning mother, the female employee who engages the services of another female to conceive a child with or without the genetic material being supplied by her and her male partner. Can leave be sanctioned under maternity leave in case of women have miscarriage or abortion? Maternity leave not exceeding 45 days may be granted to a female government servant, irrespective of the number of surviving children, during the entire service of that female government in case of miscarriage, including abortion, on production of medical certificate. Can a maternity leave, child adoption leave be debited from leave account? No, they shall not be debited against the leave account. Can a woman will get the salary during maternity leave or child adoption leave? She shall be paid leave salary equal to the pay drawn immediately before proceeding on leave. In this video, we have discussed various FAQs regarding maternity leave. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos or rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.